Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic for their websites, get more quality leads, and help them generate new cleaning clients through digital marketing. And in today's video, I'll be walking you through a 12-step cleaning business marketing plan you can use to grow your cleaning business. So the first step of your cleaning business marketing plan is to know your difference. Know what separates your company from all the other companies out there. Likely there's probably dozens or more different cleaning businesses in your local area. And so you need to know what your difference is, what you can do better than anyone else, really know what separates you from the competition. Because there's a lot of people vying for the exact same business that you're going after. And for most people, when they think of clean, they just think of clean, right? They don't really care who does it. They don't necessarily know the difference between your company and your competitors. So one key thing that you want to emphasize on your website and your marketing message, your advertising, everything, you want to focus on what your difference is and what you do better than all your competitors and everyone else out there. So you want to focus that in on your tagline on your website, talk about that in your marketing messages and more. So the first step is to know your difference and what makes your business unique compared to everybody else. The second step is to know your target market and know your niche and know your industry. One thing that really surprises me is a lot of business owners out there haven't really created a customer avatar for their business. They don't really know who their ideal customer is. They don't know where they like to hang out. They don't know what kind of books they read. They don't know where they hang out on the internet, right? So all of these things are very important for your messaging, also for advertising, the content that you create, various different things that tie into your cleaning business market plan. You really need to know the target market and your niche as that foundation, because later on in the other steps, you're going to continue to come back to this, and that's going to be very helpful to help you market your cleaning business effectively. The third step for you is to network locally. Now, just because there's a lot of different advantages to marketing your cleaning business online doesn't mean that you should neglect the offline aspect of growing your cleaning business. And so networking locally is another key part of your cleaning business marketing plan you should be doing. So along with this, you could join different networking groups, become a member of local organizations like the Chamber of Commerce, for example. But really one thing to understand with these kind of offline networking type organizations and groups is that you need to be active. You can't just merely sign up for these programs or join a business networking group and then just hope to magically have leads just start flowing in, right? It's based on relationships and building those relationships and contacts within those networking groups. So don't just go into immediately pitching your business to try and get more cleaning clients with these people. Develop relationships, show up, right? Go to the events, network, start building those relationships, and those can turn into a lot of referrals when the timing is right. So again, networking is the next step. The fourth tip for you is to optimize your website. A lot of people make the mistake of just thinking that traffic or advertising is going to magically solve their problems and their business will skyrocket. Certainly that's a part of it, but if you don't have the right foundation in place, it doesn't matter how much traffic you send there, it's not going to convert. So when you're setting up your website, you want to have things like an offer to get a free quote on cleaning services. You want to have content there that's compelling, that is actually attractive to people. You want to talk about benefits instead of features, which we'll get to in the next step. But again, optimize your website. We actually did a video a while back all about that, so we'll put that in the description below this video where you can access that to learn more about optimizing your cleaning business website. The fifth step for you, I kind of mentioned it already, but focusing on benefits and not just features of your cleaning service. One thing that we find is a lot of cleaning business owners that are struggling, that aren't promoting their company very well, all they talk about is the features of their company. So maybe they do janitorial services and they polish floors, or maybe you're in a residential cleaning business, so you vacuum floors, you do the windows, right? Those are great things to list somewhere on your website, right? So people know what you do, but it really shouldn't be the main emphasis. You really instead want to focus on solving your target customers' problems, answering their questions, again, talking about benefits to them, not just the features of your service, because people buy on benefits and what it does for them, not just how great the features are. Certainly that's important, but it's really not going to be the main deciding factor. The main deciding factor is the benefits they're going to get from getting started on your cleaning service. Step number 6 is getting more reviews and testimonials and using social proof to promote your cleaning business. So basically, if you want to set up the best salesperson in your company, it's actually going to be a happy, satisfied customer, right? So the more happy customers you get, the more they're going to spread your business through word of mouth and say great things. And on top of that, you could say all the best things in the world about your cleaning business. However, people might take it with a grain of salt, where if somebody is a happy, satisfied customer and they're saying great things about your business, it's all the more likely that they're going to believe that and want to take action and get started with your cleaning service. So testimonials are incredibly powerful. If you can get video testimonials, even better. It's just that more believable that somebody's on video talking about your company. It's a lot harder to fake, something like that. And so it's very important to use reviews and testimonials to help promote your business. Tip number 7 for you is to build an email list. Now, a lot of people think that when somebody comes to your cleaning business website for the first time, every single person is ready to buy. It would be great if that was the case, but a lot of people are just looking for more information. They're kind of in research mode and they might not yet be ready to buy. And so a lot of cleaning business owners leave money on the table because they don't have any method to capture those visitors' information. And so this is where you want to build an email list and set up a pop-up, set up an opt-in form where you can exchange something of value for their information. So maybe it's a cleaning guide, a cost-saving guide for their facility, various things like that, a lot of different options. But again, if you've done that initial research on your target market, on your industry, you know what their problems are, you know what their pain points are, and you're the expert in your cleaning business, so you want to provide answers to those questions, provide solutions to those problems, and you do that in the form of a lead magnet or some type of free giveaway, and you do that in exchange for the people's information. Because now, if somebody visited your site, they were kind of researching, checking out your company, if they've joined your email list, they've joined your newsletter list, you can continue to build that relationship down the road. And again, when timing is right, they tend to buy from you instead of your competitors at that point. Now that actually ties into step number 8, which is creating content, and the emphasis on it is value-based content. So something that actually helps your target market, helps your ideal customer get better results in their life. So again, to remember, you want to focus on things that solve their problems, answer their questions, help them get better results in their life in relation to your business, right? So again, cleaning tips, various things to cut costs in their facilities, different metrics your company should be tracking, various things like that can be very helpful to those people. And the more that you study your target market, the more you know your difference, and you can focus in and having your content focused around that. Now, we actually did another video recently as well, all about creating engaging content for cleaning business owners. So we'll have a link in the description below this video as well, where you can check out that video. But again, create quality content that engages your audience, and that's actually what you email out to them, to your email list, and that will eventually convert them from cold traffic into a warm lead that's ready to buy your cleaning services. Step number 9 is to do local SEO for your cleaning business. So like I said, if you're marketing your business, your service business, you might not have multiple locations all over the country at this point. So you're probably going to market your cleaning business locally. And one of the best ways to do that is with local SEO. A couple things you can do to really enhance that. One is to do location pages on your website. So basically you talk about your cleaning services, why someone would hire you, and then you insert a bunch of keywords for your local area, for that specific city. You can link back to your city page, so like the government page for the city, maybe your county as well. Talk about different landmarks, different attractions in the area, link to those that are local. And again, that's just going to send a bunch more signals to Google that your business is in the local area, and that can help you rank higher in the searches. On top of that, you also want to utilize Google My Business. This is a very underutilized marketing tool and should be a key point in your cleaning business marketing plan, is having Google My Business, but also optimizing it. A lot of companies sign up for this, but they don't fill it out fully. They don't add photos on a regular basis. They don't geotag the photos. They don't have posts on there. They don't fill it out completely. So all these different things, you might have a Google My Business, but if you aren't optimizing it, you're leaving a lot of free traffic on the table, because what happens is when you do optimize it, that can help you show up higher in the Google Maps. And that's just a whole nother resource of local SEO for a ton of free traffic and the ability to generate a lot of phone calls and free leads for your business. Step number 10 of the cleaning business marketing plan is to provide exceptional service to your customers. Now, this should probably be a no-brainer, but again, this can fuel a lot of future business for your company. So when you provide phenomenal service, you go above and beyond, people are going to spread the word via word of mouth. And again, that's going to lead to more positive reviews for your company. And then that, again, having those on your Google My Business page increases that rank and the opportunity to get you showing up in Google Maps. So they all kind of flow together, right? So if you're not listening to your niche, you're not understanding that, you're not knowing your difference, you aren't providing exceptional customer service, the likelihood that you get reviews is very low, and that's going to hurt your rankings in SEO. So again, they all kind of funnel in together and provide a jump start for your cleaning business and growing that with digital marketing. So again, provide exceptional service, because that fuels into the next two steps as well. And so again, step 11 is to actually focus on rewarding referrals to your customers. So it's awesome to have great word of mouth going on, but some concept to understand is that you want to celebrate what you want to duplicate. So basically you want to reward the people that actually are reviewing and referring your website, your cleaning business to other new potential customers. So there's a lot of different ways to reward them. You know, you might give away gift cards, like free gift cards to Starbucks or a local business in your area. You could also offer kind of free cleaning services. So maybe they refer two people and they get a free month of service, or you know, whatever the case might be. There's a lot of different options, adding on additional services for them. Maybe it's concrete floor polishing and you normally charge for that, right? So just think outside the box. There's a lot of ways that you can incentivize and reward referrals, but it's a great way to enhance your customers. So if you take that lifetime customer value and have them starting to add in new customers and selling for you, it really makes each customer more valuable. And that's another reason why it's very important to provide that excellent customer service as well and an excellent experience with your company. The 12th step for you of your cleaning business marketing plan is to advertise. Now again, you might be wondering why this is the last step, but it's actually that way for a reason, because a lot of cleaning business owners haven't done all the prior steps and then they just jump into advertising and they wonder why it doesn't work. Well, if you don't know your difference, you don't know what makes you unique, you don't know your target market, if you advertise, you're going to advertise to the wrong people. Your message is going to be off. You know, if you haven't optimized your website, it's not talking about benefits, all it talks about is features. Well, if you advertise and send a bunch of traffic to that website, it's not going to convert. It's going to push people away. You know, they're not going to see what's in it for them. Same thing if you don't have a lot of reviews on your site or not any positive reviews. They might not trust you, right? So having that is very important. important. So again, if you're sending traffic, they won't believe you unless you have a lot of quality reviews on your site. Same thing, if you send a lot of traffic via advertising to your website, but you don't have a way to capture their information, they might visit once and never return. So that's why it's very important to have an email list where you can develop that list of something that you own, and then you can remarket to them in the future. Again, follows right into, content marketing. You could have an email list, but if you don't have anything to sell them and all you do is pitch them every email, they're gonna unsubscribe. But if you can lead with quality content and value, they stay on your list, it builds that relationship, and that turns into new customers for your business. So again, if you don't also provide exceptional service, word's gonna get out, and they won't, if you get customers through advertising, they won't stick around long term, and then they're certainly not going to refer anyone if you have poor customer service as well. So as you can see, all of these 12 steps really flow into each other and work together synergistically. And when you follow these 12 steps of this cleaning business marketing plan, you're going to grow your cleaning business faster and get better results, increase your traffic, and generate more leads and sales for your cleaning business. So again, hopefully you got some benefit and value out of this video. If you did, feel free to comment and share. And then also be sure to subscribe to our channel as well to get more tips and training to help you build a profitable cleaning business faster. And then if you are struggling to generate more leads for your business, or you feel like you've run out of people to talk to, you want more clients, we actually put together a free resource for you, a video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to generate more quality leads for your cleaning business, definitely click on the link in the description below this video to get access to that free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. But once again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.